My name's Jasper, and this is my second channel. Feel free to check out my main channel down below. But this is a channel where I post daily videos answering people's questions on how to grow a digital marketing agency using the GoHighLevel software. I've built my own six-figure agency over the past few years, and I still manage clients to this day, so I'm in the trenches with you. And now I help others for free to grow their own agency. And for context, the Zoom call recordings you'll see in these videos, I do every day for free for my GoHighLevel affiliates and just answer their different questions. If you want to be a part of these free Zoom calls and work with me directly, you can read more about how to get access to that down below.
Hey, so I am stuck on my email. I feel
Okay.
like I can't get it to connect or verify.
All right, let's look at it. Are you on your computer? Are you able to share screen?
Yes. Refresh my memory how to do that. Never mind, I found it.
You're good.
Okay. So this is what I have here. I feel like these two. This one and this one were verified a couple of days ago, and now they're not verified. But essentially, I'm trying to hook it up to a Google Workspace.
Google Works. So where's your domain at? Did you buy it in Go High Level,
I
GoDaddy,
did.
Go High
High
Level?
level.
So this email here is the Go High Level email. This is what I was telling, can't remember who, maybe it was CJ about, but this is the Go High Level email that can send out automated emails through our automations. This is the one that can send the bulk emails through Go High Level if we want to select all 1,000 of our leads and send them all a bulk email at once. This is what you're setting up here. This is for Go High Level. Now, your Google Workspace is a separate email platform that you build with Google directly. And Google Workspace, it's good to create an email there because that can be your front-facing email that you put on your website. That can be the one you put on your business cards, on your whatever, on your car. That's the one that people can inbound send you like inquiries to. And if you just want to, have an email out there that people can send you a quick question or whatever, put on your website, all that stuff. Now, this email here, these ones aren't like they are emails, but they don't look really clean. And so that's why we wouldn't use them as our front-facing email. These ones would be like info dot replies at, whatever your domain is.com. They're not a clean looking email. Now your Google Workspace one will look clean. It'll be like Amanda at autogrowsystems.com or info at autogrow. It'll look like a really nice, clean email. So you use one for more inbound stuff, and then you use this Go High Level one for your automations in Go High Level and for your blast emails that you send in bulk, if that makes sense. But I can help you finish setting it up. I just didn't know if that would make sense if I just clarified it like that. But
No, that definitely helped because I didn't necessarily realize that it was kind of two different things instead of
they're
just one. So
They're
thank you.
two. Yeah, they're two separate things used for two different purposes. But anyway, if you go down to the bottom, I'd imagine you have all your DNS records set up. Just click verify domain at the bottom right there. And let's see if we can get it to verify.
No.
Did you, so it looked maybe at one point you said you had all of them verified. Did you go and create your Google Workspace email and did it mess up after that?
Yes, because I started to put in some of the stuff from the Google Workspace. I don't even know where those are into here, and I'm pretty sure that's what screwed it up.
That's all right. No worries. Let's just redo it. So go back, right there, yeah, back to dedicated domains, and then so your email here is like the connect.greenpillmusic.com.
Correct.
Is that the same in your workspace? Did you use connect@greenpillmusic.com?
Yes.
That's why they're conflicting because they have the same path on the beginning, which is connect. And you can't
Okay.
use connect here and use connect on your Google Workspace because then it's going to conflict with those DNS records. So we have to just change the word on the beginning. We could do info.greenpillmusic.com. We could do replies dot whatever you want to do. But
Okay.
let's click add domain on the right, on that blue button to the right. And then let's do another one. So let's do whatever info, replies, whatever one you want to do. All right, and then
Info.
click add and verify. Was your Google Workspace email working and everything? Have you tested and sent an email from it?
No, not yet.
Okay. We might I think it should be working because I think what you did is you added those DNS records from Google Workspace and that's what caused an issue with the Go High Level one. So I think your Workspace one should be working, but make sure after we do all this to go test your Workspace as well.
Okay.
Just click continue right there. And the nice thing about having our domain bot in Go High Level is that it'll auto sync up all the DNS for us. So you click add records. Alrighty. And then scroll to the bottom. Sometimes it says this, but you just have to click verify domain a few times. All right. Now go back out, scroll to the top, click the little back to dedicated domains button, and then go to your info one again. Scroll down a little bit, click verify now. We just have to like go back in and out a couple times for it to verify. Go down to the bottom again, click verify domain again. Scroll down, click verify now one more time on the right. Sorry, not that one, the other one. Because
Oh,
this one was your wait, is this the info one? Oh, this is the right
this
one.
is
Sorry,
info.
my bad. Now click ver
Oh,
now click verify one last time. Looks like they're all good. Boom. All right, there we go. So yeah, now it says SSL issued and now it's all set up. We can just delete the other one. So click the little three dots at the top of the connect one and then click delete. And then should be good to go. All right. So yeah, now you should be able to send emails from Go High Level to and from leads using the automated emails, the blast emails. You can also do manual like one-to-one emails if you want from the conversations tab. But yeah, now you have it set up. But yeah, if you use the same path, that's what like conflicts. You can't use connect in both platforms or else the DNS records will conflict. So anyway,
well, yeah. Now that I know that they're two different things, that makes a lot of sense. I was thinking they had to be the same thing. So
yeah,
thank you
it's
so much.
email. It's really confusing. Yeah, email's the toughest part. You have to create all the DNS records and little things can just get messed up, especially if you're using outside email platforms that are separate from high level. But anyway, was that the only question? Do you have anything else?
No, that is it. Thank you.
No problem. If you want some more in-depth content on how to grow your digital marketing agency, you can join my free HighLevel Quest community down below. It has my full 7-hour course on how to get your agency fully set up and go high level from start to finish.